Hey guys, how's it going? Actually, welcome and congrats to my first ever actual vlog. I will say that I've never done this before, so this is actually a completely new experience to me. So, while I just sort out the kinks, don't mind it too much, but I'm actually super excited to start this little YouTube journey. So what we're doing today is I was actually on my way to work and I realized that I had a little surprise for me waiting in front of my door. So we're gonna go get that started today. At least hopefully try to get everything if I can before work. If not, you know what it is. So let's go. So like I was saying, I was on my way to work and then lo and behold, we got some fresh meats. So we're gonna head over to my guys over at N-Track, load the truck up. There's actually there's a new set of wheels, well, old but new to me set of wheels in there that we're gonna get mounted, balanced, so that we can enjoy our track day this weekend. Super excited. All right, so let's get this bad boy opened. So what we have here is some 17 by 9.5. I believe the offset is plus 18 RPF Juans. These are actually the wheels I got when I first got the Evo. Well, this Evo. So it's actually pretty interesting that I was able to speak to my boy and get them back again, because we're going to Lime Rock this weekend and I didn't really want to run the tri-spokes and wear down the tires that we got. So we're gonna head over to my guys over at N-Track and get everything sorted. I will do a walk around video maybe sometime in the future on the Chaser, and definitely a walk around video, maybe a POV, we'll see, on the Evo. But it's Chaser's a little dirty. Landscapers came and they definitely disrespected the hell out of it. So all right, let's get this going. All right, so truck's all loaded, so let's get this show on the road. Alright, so tires are now mounted and balanced. Here's the old ones in the back there. So now we're just gonna head back home so we can get these on the Evo and be good for this weekend. So I'm actually running a little behind for work, so we're actually gonna have to just continue this on for the next free day that I have. So it's just a couple days from now. But I can't wait to get it on the Evo. It's gonna look great. All right, so a couple days have passed. It's about 8 a.m. right now, so now I'm just gonna go out to the front, pull the truck out the way so I can make space for the Evo, so we can have like visible room and we can finally get these tires swapped over. So let's get started. So the fucked up thing about these wheels, even though I love them so much, is what I learned is the diameter, because I had these in 18s before, the diameter of where the lugs are so extremely tight on the 17s that the only lugs I can run are like these AutoZone brands that I found, because it's the only one like small enough to fit, plus have enough grip. Because if you can see, done a lot of trial and error. But If anybody has a suggestion on like certain lugs to run on this, please just, you know, leave a comment or just send me a DM on IG, because I love these, but it's a pain in the ass. So that's definitely why I wanted to swap over to the RPF ones that I picked up, because it's just a lot easier to just get on and off, because I have to hand torque these on and to like loosen them and things like that. It just becomes a pain in the ass. I also forgot to mention that the tires I am running are the Falken Azenis RT 660s. Even before the Falken hooked me up with them, these were actually my kind of go-to for track, just because of the extra stickiness that they have. I love, you know, like a big, like meaty setup. No homo, pause. But I love these. So it actually came in clutch that something worked out with them. All right, so let's get these on the car. There's just something about black wheels that I just love so much. I don't know if it's just because of like the contrast from the black to the yellow Brembos. It just looks so aggressive and nice. I could just look at this all day. All right, so now I'm gonna just, you know, put the front bumper back on, lower it back on the ground, torque the wheels, and then we should be good to go. Wheels are on, everything's looking good. Oh, just loving how much those Brembos pop out against the black. You know, I really could go back to black rims, but they're just such a pain in the ass when you have to take photos. Just gonna do a quick rip around the block, just make sure everything's good. You should be good to go. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. I really appreciate you guys checking in. Like I said, this is the first time for me, so hopefully it was entertaining enough. I would say the next video will probably be the day of Lime Rocks, so hopefully everything goes well. I will claim one thing though, I did notice, is that I forgot to buy the hook-centric rims for these. So I made sure to properly torque it, so hopefully that will bypass, you know, and hopefully not too much shakes at high speed, but you know, hoping for a good day. Thanks again, you guys, for watching. Hopefully planning to do some more of these. See you later.